Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Install matching Uniarch builds on phone and computer and enable phone debugging or Bluetooth. Plug a quality USB-C cable into both devices or put Uniarch on the phone into pairing mode. This avoids intermittent links. Once connected, grant any permission prompts on the phone, file access, input control, and trust prompts, because Uniarch needs them to mirror and transfer data. Make sure the phone battery stays above 20% to prevent disconnects while you continue. Next, establish a secure session between the phone and Uniarch on your computer. When the fingerprint or key prompt appears, compare values and accept only once verified. This prevents man-in-the-middle risks. Choose USB for fast transfers or Bluetooth if you need wireless mobility, then set encryption and sync folders so only intended data moves. Once done, enable remote input if you want keyboard/mouse control. Otherwise, restrict it to file sync. Make sure both devices stay awake during initial sync to avoid corruption. Finish by performing a quick test transfer and remote input check to confirm everything works. This validates permissions and folder paths. If the link fails, first replug the cable or toggle Bluetooth, then restart Uniarch on both devices. Often services need a restart. If problems persist, open the app logs to see errors and remove the old pairing to reissue keys. Do this only after confirming fingerprints match. One key tip: always test with a small file first to avoid large sync mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.